Go. Hey, what's up? Steve from Stereo Steve. Check it out. Just wrapped up 2025 Chevy High Country. What did we do? Here's the product we did. Arc audio amplifiers, Arc audio speakers, thin WaveTech, thin Pro 12-inch subwoofer, and we got the Zen preamp to work with the factory radio or give us a nice full range signal. And we're able to remove the Bose amp and put that in its place and have everything work awesome. So we're going to kind of go in the vehicle and take a look. You want to go around the passenger side, and I'll hop in up over here. Should start up front. Okay. So, all right, this is a nice truck. Looks nice. The layout's awesome, and we wanted to do something extra, extra awesome for this vehicle. And we produced, or we built a kit, and we were able to do 6.5s in the door in the factory locations, of course. And then up on the dash, we typically this vehicle has a 2.5-inch speaker, and we design these pods to house a 1-inch tweeter and a 3-inch mid-range. So now there's a 3-way in this vehicle, so it's very musical. You get all your sound out in front of you. It sounds amazing. Let me grab a spoon and I'll pop one of those off, and I'll just have them edit it, and it will continue on like nothing ever happened. So let me pop this off, and don't mess it up. Mitch will be mad. Okay. All right. Okay. Just take a look up on that dash. Okay. All right. Hop back in, and okay. So there's the tweeter in the mid. Normally, there's just a 2.5-inch cone speaker there. It doesn't handle very high frequencies, and it just, there's something you could put there, but I don't think it's good enough for our customers, our clients. We need something awesome. So we built this. This will be in one of our kits available, and it gives you just ultimate sound up here. Let's take a look at the back. All right. Notice in the back door, he wanted to get some good sound out of it, or some sound back here. So we added a 6.5 RS speaker in the door, and then a 1-inch RS speaker. And we actually built a pod up higher in the door. Instead of just mounting the tweeter in there, flush mount, and that's it. We built this pod to kind of continue with the styling of the vehicle, so it looks like it belongs, and it's not just a tweeter placed there. On the back wall, we have a custom amp rack with the 2 Arc audio amplifiers. We have a monoblock Arc audio 1100.1 right here, and that's driving the subwoofers. And then we have the Falcon. It's 12 channel amplifier, 18 channels of DSP. So every speaker we've gone active in the vehicle, and we also we bridge power to the 2 6.5s in the front door to give them a little more kick. And that's completely tunable with we plug in a laptop, we jump on Arc audio software, we tune everything to this vehicle, to the speakers, to the customer's liking. And then it has an output for a couple more amplifiers. We're just using one more, and that's to the 1101, which is running the WaveTech 12-inch subwoofers under the seat. And then that's the Zen preamp, so that goes in place of the factory Bose amplifier, and it gives us a Toslink out, which the Arc audio DSP amplifier accepts, and gives us a nice full range sound, clean. Probably the best way to do it in this situation. And then under the seat is just the 212s, so it fits nicely under there. We did a ported box, and this thing's gonna rail. Sounds really good. Came out really nice. Any questions? You have one of these 25, or you have one of these newer Chevys, and you want to make it sound amazing, and you want to add some major sound up on the dash, and just really keep a nice factory look, we got you covered. These kits will be available at stereosteves.com, or you can come into the store and we could we could put something together for you and get you up and running and sounding amazing and just turning your drive into bliss and just pure enjoyment when you're out on the road rocking out. So give us a call or swing on by. Stereo Steve, thank you. Have a wonderful day.